Yo, 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 what's up? This is Joe from Judge Innovation Garage in the Peach capital of the state, baby. All right, boys and girls, let me show you this right here. Let me show you how you can fix your hammerhead handle or your axe handle, whatever. Let me show you. Y'all check this out. All right, this stuff right here is general purpose and striking tool adhesive. All right, so basically what you do is just knead it together, cut the end of it off, pour it on something, mix it up, and then fill in what epoxy has fell out over time. So what you might have to do is you might have to take, because after time hitting this thing, you see how it slides up like that? So what you need to do is take and hit the hammer like this. What that's gonna do is that's gonna drive it back down where it needs to go. So we're gonna set that up like that right there. Then we're gonna mix this up. Then we're gonna come in here and pour that in there. All right, so here we go, stand by one, let's go. Shouldn't take long. There's some scissors right there, so we're just gonna knead this. So this is the activator side and this is the epoxy. You can kind of feel it. So you got part one and part two. So we'll just squeeze it down. We're gonna cut the top of it off like so, and just fold it and just gotta milk it, girls and boys. Get her to milk that shit. It's running. There's probably not enough in here to fill it all the way. Now you see it start getting like cloudy. Once you get it all good and cloudy, probably ain't gonna take long. You probably got maybe, it didn't say on the pack, but probably 5 to 10 minutes work time. That looks like that's mixed up pretty good, so let's go on out here. Put it in there like a booger. Be right back. All right, I put some tape over it, and the reason why is because I didn't want it to run off the side. Let me get my spreader. Don't hang tight. Make sure you get all the air bubbles out of it. It should be all right. And like I said, that's one way to do it. That's one way to do it. I thought I had that summer gun clamped, but apparently not, boy. It like they got me. All right, we gotta fix it now. We gotta fix it now. Damn it, I done it again. What the hell, man? There we go. Oh, Lord, it's hot and I'm ready to go in the house. I don't care that I'm making a damn mess. I don't care that it's the way it is. Because what you can do is you can take a grinder or something and cut it off. But that's one way how you make a mess, boys and girls. So that's the epoxy kit. That'll run down in there. It'll fill in them cracks and crannies. Like I said, just a short little video, do a regular video. How to fix your handle with epoxy. and what not to do, make a daggone mess. So this stuff is from AMES, AMES, 1774. I appreciate you, boys and girls. Remember I said, don't worry about the man up the road or down the road. Sweep off your own front porch before sweeping off anybody else's. Put God first, at Lucian Drive, piece of chicken grease. I'm out. Hit that subscribe button, boys and girls. Hit that subscribe button. Almost up to 4,000. We can do it together. Let go.